Hi, good afternoon, bon après-midi, good day, bonne journée, comment allons-nous? Ça me fait plaisir de vous revoir, c'est une autre émission de la série Pasta. Alors, aujourd'hui, j'ai un wok. Pourquoi un wok? On va faire un stir-fry avec des pâtes, avec des pastas. Alors, je commence avec un petit peu d'huile de sésame rôti. Roasted sesame oil. This is a stir fry, so we have to go very quickly. Onions, celery. You have a full recipe in the description of the video. Alors vous avez la recette dans la description du vidéo. Alors on a mis les oignons, on a mis le céleri, on a mis l'ail. Alors on y va avec le maximum de flamme parce qu'un stir fry ça se fait avec beaucoup de chaleur et ça se fait rapidement. Entre-temps, j'ai des vermicelli que je vais mettre dans l'eau, ça va venir dans le stir fry. Alors les vermicelli commencent à bouillir, sont dans l'eau bouillante. Ça prend quelques minutes, c'est des vermicelles. Si vous avez vu la vidéo, si vous n'avez pas vu la vidéo, qui s'appelle Pasta. Regardez la vidéo qui s'appelle Pasta. If you haven't seen the video called Pasta, check the video called Pasta, and you have the recipe how to make your own pasta in a few minutes. So this is going quite fast. A little bit of cabbage, finely chopped cabbage like that. You don't need to overload your pan, by the way. See the veggies soften very quickly. We'll add some red bell pepper. We'll add some color and taste, texture, and flavor. I'm sorry you cannot smell what I'm smelling, but it smells really, 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 really good. I will add zucchini. Like that. Yellow squash. I have removed the seed from the yellow squash. I will add more oil, a little bit more oil. Like that. That's great. Everything is coming together very nicely. One of the last but not the least, few mushroom, like that. Alors on mélange les champignons, les zucchini, les courgettes. On fait sauter à feu vif. We cook at a high fire, high heat. This is one of the few times you'll hear me saying maximum heat on any cooking process. We don't want to burn anything, but I feel that the water coming out of the onion, water coming out of the mushroom, water coming out of the zucchini and squash, it's make the whole thing very, very, very smell very good. Now I'll lower the heat for us. Oh, don't forget pineapple. Pineapple will add some sweetness to your dish. Okay, great. I'll turn off the heat for a second. I'll prepare the sauce. Water, cornstarch, about a tablespoon of cornstarch, soy sauce, and hot sauce, like that. I have a miniature whisk, and I mix like that. Make sure that your cornstarch is completely dissolved, and you go like this, and that will be your sauce for your dish. Now you have your sauce, you have your stir fry, and let's add to this. Turn on the heat again. Now I'm taking the pasta with me. So I have the pasta here, and in the stir fry, the sauce has thickened. And we are. So let me transfer this bowl. I don't want to burn myself. And here you have it. This is your stir fry. Thank you. This is stir fry with vermicelli pasta. Ce sont un stir fry, des légumes sautés à la chinoise avec des nouilles vermicelles faites maison. Et bon appétit. Thank you for watching. This meal is so easy to prepare, you have no excuses. You can do it yourself. If you don't have a wok, you use a very large skillet, and you can prepare that for you and your family and your friend, and everybody will enjoy it. It's sweet, it's spicy, it's delicious, it's fresh, it's crunchy, it's tender, it's all of the above. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your interest in Chef Gaetan Prépare. More pasta coming.